What's up, YTV? It's your boy DJ Y, and we're back with another week. We have one and only Boosie, and he previews brand new track with Webbie. You know, Webbie and Boosie are childhood friends, and they had some little bit beef, but they reunited, and they have new collaboration on the way. Just check this out.
I don't know these niggas who playing, but I'ma go blind by them, blind. I'm stepping hard by my pop. I've been rocking with juice and burglary. New headshots, no surgery. Spray that shit all on the project building. Headshots, no surgery. It's gangsta. Call me little nigga, I'm on the way. When it's gangsta. When it's your turn, return to faith. When it's gangsta, I was blind, I'm on the way. My little nigga in danger. I'm responsible, grab a cake. Bitch hit me up. Cause my line is never busy. I ride for all my murder wishes for.
So, guys, tell me how you feel this track. Tell me in comment section. I'm waiting your reaction. Also, guys, if you don't know, last night Boosie had very first live performance after his incident with legendary Zero. This was really epic night, so you can check this out in YouTube. During the live, also Boosie announced that he have new album on the way, and he announced that he have some features with Webbie. So guys, stay tuned, subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptvy.com, where you will see for the first time about their upcoming collaboration. So we have new music, Webbie and Boosie on the same track. This is crazy, man. We need less drama, more music. Thanks for watching. It's your boy DJ Y. Peace.